With spring's prime quickly approaching, this is a vital time to transform your yard into a flourishing habitat. First, weed out your flower beds or declutter your yard. This will give you a fresh canvas to build with. Next is the planting phase. Choose the seeds you want to plant. Keep in consideration the climate of your area and growth time. Then, figure out the general design of the cleared area. If you decide to plant flowers, look for an area of your yard that will get an equal amount of sunlight and shade throughout the day. If you choose to plant vegetables, fruits, or herbs, consider using a smaller planter so you can keep a closer eye on them and move them as they grow more rapidly. Also consider the local wildlife, and if there's anything around that may want to eat your new hobby. An easy fix to this is to place a fake bird or humanoid figure to ward off any would-be predators. If you decide not to plant anything in your newly cleaned out area, consider placing mulch to create a much more natural aesthetic and to support up-and-coming life. Now that you have a newly decorated and cared for yard, you can bask in the spring sun. Sit back and relax as you watch your new yard grow around you.